Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1973 Triumph TR6 convertible. It's finished in French blue, tan interior, black top, blue top boot, black tonneau cover as well, 4-speed, red line tires. This is a 73, so super good year, showing the simple chrome bumpers. This car's a nut and bolt ground up restoration. I believe it was completed about 6 to 8 years ago. So it's a truly nice, sorted out car. Have a look at the undercarriage photos. It was a body off the frame restoration, but really lovely paint work, chrome work, all the bright works new. If you're in the market for a top tier TR6, this is it right here. Super good car. We bought it from New York, but I believe the seller said that it was restored in Florida, but obviously by someone who knew what they were doing, because this car is very, very correct and beautifully restored throughout. Great gaps, really good hood fit, new windshield rubber. All the bumpers are replated, new headlights. Super condition throughout. All brand new interior with that sport Triumph wheel. As you can see here, all the dash was removed and completely replaced. All new carpets, all new seats in this lovely new tan. Very nice matching blue top boot there. But you can see in here the quality of the restoration. It's just really lovely throughout. You open the door here, give you a side shot of that lovely, rich, new tan interior. So yeah, really striking colors. Trunk's completely restored with a host of spares. There's a file, there's a manila folder there of all the receipts. But yeah, lots of lovely extras. Black tonneau, top boot. Let's have a look at this car's engine compartment. Stunning, stunning mint engine compartment. As you can see here, just an absolute top tier TR6, full nut and bolt restoration. Nice addition is they've replaced the original Strombergs with some high performance Mikuni side drafts. The original Strombergs are provided with the car in the trunk, but you can see under here all the finishes are crisp and correct and beautiful throughout. And this lovely French blue, one of the best TR6 colors, all new brakes, rebuilt driveline, electric fan fitted as well. You can see that electric fan. A really lovely car with everything correctly plated, everything correctly finished. K&N air filters for performance. Yeah, we're gonna take this car on a test drive and have a look at the undercarriage photos on this. You'll see that, all the suspension was done, frame was painted or powder coated, body lifted from the frame. Really nice coach works throughout, great paint, chrome, rubber, interior, bright work, new red line tires. Just an absolute lovely, fully restored 1973 Triumph TR6 convertible finished in this handsome French blue, tan interior, black top, and tonneau cover, blue top boot, 4-speed, red stripe, red line radial tires, total nut and bolt ground up restoration in just perfect top condition. This car is new to the market. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.